northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas.
Well, that was a jump scare.
County in southeastern Texas until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Yeah, no.
At 4:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located.
Let's go see if the 300 activated. Doesn't sound like it. That sucks.
Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
What? It's on all county codes. You should have activated.
Texas include Tomball, Pinehurst, Stagecoach, and Cypress.
Oh, doubleheader. Let's go. Wait, let's go see if the 300 activates. Bro, another SCR.
The National Weather.
It's like doubleheader.
Until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cypress, Oregon, 9 miles southwest of Tomball, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Dang, I gotta fix my antenna setup. It does not like this.
Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
I have this really crappy antenna I built myself.
Include Tomball, Pinehurst, Stagecoach, and Cypress.
Let's go see.
For your protection,
Activated.
building.
Imagine this is triple header. That'd be crazy.
National Weather Service in Lake City has
No, it's not a triple header, but we got a double header. Wow, they just keep coming, don't they?
Northeastern Waller County in southeastern Texas. Northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located.
See, this one went off.
Moving north at 20 miles per hour.
Dang, my reception of KGG sucks right now. I was just repairing my 300 antenna. Cause, this one gets good reception. Actually, really good reception. That'd be funny if we had a double header again. Oh my god, bro. It's a double header.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm
That's
warning
hilarious.
for southwestern Montgomery.
Dude, at this point, it's a freaking quadruple header. Imagine we get a triple header. Quintuple header, that'd be funny. This one kind of sucks. Getting reception right now.
Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Tomball, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind to roof, siding, and trees. Locations in Texas include Tomball, Pinehurst, Magnolia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, I guess that works.